Hey guys, so I am home from work. Today is my Friday, which means that it's Wednesday, and I'm going to get a lot done today. I am going to catch up on the vlogs, so 2 vlogs will be posted today, which again, don't know why I'm telling you guys since I am in the future. But I'm going to catch up on the vlogs today. Also, funny story, so I woke up like real early today at like 6 a.m. I let Harvey and Sammy out, fed them breakfast. They eat twice a day, like smaller portions. And I fed them, and then I was rushing out the door today. I didn't even realize it until like noon. Meg texted me and she's like, "Why did you leave Harvey out?" And I'm like, "What?" I left Harvey out until obviously Meg woke up and saw that he was awake. He pooped. He peed and apparently dismembered Christmas tree, which we need to get rid of, and just sprinkled Christmas tree pieces. Listen to me. Christmas tree pieces, I mean needles all over the place. So I have to vacuum. I'm gonna throw out the trash, do a bunch of stuff, but mainly I'm gonna focus on the vlogs today and hopefully work on my website today, which I've been putting off, but I've recently taken some pictures that I really like, so I'm gonna throw up some new photography stuff and hopefully write a blog post. What? Productiveness? Productiveness, that's not a word. Productivity, I swear I have a college degree. But anyway, yeah, so doing a bunch of stuff today. Hopefully we don't have to go outside and we can just party in here, but to be continued. I don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm officially caught up on vlogs, right? I just did 2, which took me forever. The second one didn't take that long, the first one did. So day 18 and 19 are up. This is day 20, and we'll be up on the 21st. So I think I'm caught up, right? You're always a day behind as a daily blog. As a daily vlogger, because I mean it would be kind of hard to post it while it's happening because you could still record stuff like after midnight, like me. It is 12:13 a.m. and I am about to finish the sandwich, played a little Gears of War, and then I think I'm going to, I don't know, maybe watch some YouTube. Meg is probably on her way home in a little while. That is the state of the union right now in the High Kyle Taggart household. That's a puggle.
Philadelphia, they're quick movers, but they are moving into Cape May County, so there's a reason they're salting the roads. And this is from a weak disturbance that is
Does
moving
this
through
storm
tonight.
have a name?
Yes, it is.
Doppler
Temperatures below freezing, 30 in
Meg likes the weather. Meg likes everything news related.
29 will be out
That's us.
by tomorrow, and tomorrow a pretty pleasant day. We'll see a good amount of sunshine.
pretty
Temperatures
pleasant
again,
day.
second day in a row above freezing. Feeling a lot
It's
better
above
about
freezing, woohoo! It's apparently supposed to snow a lot in the next few days, which would be really cool for Harvey, because then he would get to see lots of snow. Where is he? He's over there.
the timing is great as far as people getting.
Get the kids home from school, guys. Friday at 9 o'clock. That's when it's gonna snow. Be cool to get one good snow. Like one really heavy snow, and then that's it. And then be done. And then spring can just hurry up.
She knows I can't dance, she don't give a fuck. I guarantee you she will still give it up.
This is what the internet brings.
I'ma still shake my ass, I don't give a fuck. I'ma still get wretched, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, yeah, I don't give a fuck. I can't dance, I don't give a fuck.
Meg's not too pleased with life right now because the internet's out.
There's a snowstorm coming and we have no internet.
But anyway, I don't even know what I filmed today. Like today is, I always say it's the worst vlog, and then it turns out that I like it when I start editing it. But I probably didn't film much today because I edited 2 vlogs. Worked. Anyway, just wanted to say goodnight. Hopefully the internet situation is different tomorrow. We are both off tomorrow, so adventures will ensue.
Every time I hear that, I think of cream cheese.
Cream cheese?
I want some cream cheese.
The angel music?
Yeah, there used to be angels and they would dance on the Philadelphia cream cheese commercial.
Oh my god.
Why do you always get me from the double chin angle?
From what angle?
The double chin angle.
Alright, so
This
stay
is
happy,
suggestive.
stay healthy, and have a little fun.
Peace.
What is it?
Sludgy?
Is it chocolatey?
Hello.
This is what I need to do more of. I need to vlog more.
Vlog more what? Vlog more what? You read it in the middle of a sentence. Complete thoughts, Kyle Joseph.
I need to vlog more, just like interaction between us. You know?
Well, usually one of us is always sleeping.